Hey everyone, in this video we are diving into the fascinating world of engineering with our top 10 amazing engineering facts you should know. Whether you are a professional or an engineering student, these amazing engineering facts that will blow your mind. Civil engineering is considered as the oldest branch of engineering. It is a branch of engineering that focuses on the creation of infrastructure and maintenance of buildings. It is widely used in every aspect around the world. Civil engineering is referred as the backbone of infrastructure. It is a field that shapes the world we are living in. The first steam locomotive was developed in the United Kingdom during the early 19th century by British mining engineer, inventor and explorer Richard Trevithick. Debuted the first full-scale working railway steam locomotive and used for railway transportation until the middle of 20th century. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the tallest building in the world. Burj Khalifa is also the tallest freestanding structure in the world, with the highest number of stories. Environmental engineering plays an important role in preserving our planet. It involves developing sustainability solutions to environmental problems, such as water pollution, air pollution, waste management, and renewable energy. Environmental engineers are involved in the development of renewable energy technologies such as solar, wind, and biomass energy. The Golden Gate Bridge was constructed in the year 1937 and quickly established itself as one of the most recognizable bridges in the world. It set the world record for the longest bridge span, the distance between supports 4,200 feet, and also the tallest tower. The bridge also claims as the longest suspension bridge in the world. Computer science engineering is at the forefront of technological innovation, driving advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, and quantum computing. The field of computer science is growing much faster than average at 16% growth per year. It is one of the most popular and studied branch of engineering in the world. The fastest public train in the world is Shanghai Maglev with the maximum speed of 267 miles per hour, using magnetic levitation rather than conventional steel wheels on steel rails. Maglev trains use electromagnetic force to levitate several inches over the track and guideway. By reducing the source of friction of wheels on the rails, this train can reach higher speed than the conventional trains. The Great Wall of China is the largest man-made project in the world. The complete route is over 20,000 kilometers, stretching from the east seaside to the west desert in northern China. The wall took over 2,000 years to construct and stretches across 15 northern Chinese provinces and autonomous regions. The International Space Station is a collaborative engineering marvel that orbits the Earth at an average altitude of approximately 420 kilometers. The International Space Station is larger than the 6-bedroom house, with 6 sleeping quarters, 2 bathrooms, a gym, and a 360-degree view bay window. In 24 hours, the space station makes 16 orbits of Earth, traveling through 16 sunrises and sunsets. India produces a large number of engineering graduates every year, contributing the global workforce in field of engineering such as software development, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, and many more. India produces about 1.5 million engineers graduate every year. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and comment any engineering fact you know. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.